Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Sir Mark, and in this video, I'm going to solve a random problem in trigonometry. Actually random in the sense that I don't have any intention to make a video for today because I'm busy in finalizing my module in senior high school for pre-calculus, okay, in trigonometry actually. So on the process, so I saw this old file of mine, okay, so I decided to make a video on my solution on this particular problem. Okay, so this problem number 22. Okay, so solve natin. Alright, so here it is. Evaluate, okay, evaluate without using calculator, alright, cosine 20, okay, times cosine 40, times cosine 80, okay, without calculator. By the way, ASMC stands for Alabama Statewide Mathematics Competition 2007. So we can search it on the internet. Alright, so the idea here is for you to solve, or for you to get the numerical value of this expression, you have to find a way on how you can utilize your trigonometric identities. Okay, so to do that, one way to do that is I'm going to multiply this expression by sine 20 over sine 20. Tanong, is that valid? Yes, because the idea here is you're just multiplying this entire expression by 1. So basically, you're not changing its value. So mathematically, again, that's allowed. Okay, so now, recall natin yung double angle identity for sine. Okay, so let's have sine 2x. Actually, this is equal to 2 sine x, okay, times cosine x. I hope na alala nyo to. So this is the double angle for sine, double angle identity. So now, notice that if I'm going to let x equals 20, okay, so papalitan ko yun. So, that will be, okay, again, my x is 20. So, that will be 2 sine 20. Cosine 20 is actually equal to sine 2 times 20 or sine 40. Okay. So, sine 20 pala times cosine 20 is actually equal to sine 40 over 2. So, meaning to say, okay, I can replace this by sine 40 over 2. See that? Okay. So, again, palitan natin yon. So, that will be sine 40 over 2. Okay, may over 2 ako doon, and then I'll just copy the remaining two factors. So, times cosine 40 times cosine 80 over sine 20. Okay, there you go. Okay, now, same thing is true for these two factors. So, yung product nito. So, meaning to say, if papalitan ko yung 20, gawin ko siyang 40, alright? So, this one, palitan ko rin yan. So, meaning to say, sine 40 times cosine 40 is actually equal to sine 80 over 2. So, ito pala, okay, yan daw. So, that's equal to sine 80 over 2. Over 2. Okay, so over 2, may 2 ako dyan, that will be 4. Okay, times sine 20. See that? So, I hope nakukuha nyo yung part na yan. Okay, then, same thing is true for this one. Sine 80 times cosine 80, that's actually equal to sine 160. Alright, that's equal to sine 160 over 2 times 4, kaya over 8, times sine 20. Okay, we're almost done. What will happen to sine 160 over sine 20? Okay, recall natin yung reference angle natin on the first quadrant. So, we use theta. On the second quadrant, we use this 180 minus theta. So, our theta is 160. So 180 minus 160 is 20. So meaning to say, sine 20 and sine 160 will give you the same value. Note that sine, okay, the sign of sine on the second quadrant is positive. So therefore, basically, they just cancel each other. So therefore, the value of this expression, okay, the product of cosine 20, cosine 40, and cosine 80 is actually equal to 1 over 8. Okay, so I hope nakuha nyo yung flow ng solution natin. So basically, it only revolves on the idea of using the double angle for sine. Okay, so let's check if the product is 1/8. Okay, check natin using class Wiz. Okay, so check natin. So again, so verify natin cosine 20, alright, times cosine 40, alright, times cosine 80. Okay, again, our answer is 1/8. There you go, 1/8. So, I hope you learned something for this video. So, again, this is just a random video for trigonometry. So, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, so ano ang inaantay mo? So, learn math with Sir Mark. God bless.